Possibly the most important piece of advice for successful baby-led weaning is patience. When you start this process, it is more likely that the baby will see it as a game rather than feeding. This is totally normal, and you need to relax and allow your baby to experiment with their food. It is very likely that more food will end up on their face, on their clothes, and on the floor. But you can take simple precautions if you are someone who does get stressed over the cleanliness. And there are many plastic mats you can put beneath a high chair, a change of old clothes before feeding. You can get lots of bibs that cover the baby. And also do refrain from cleaning the baby's face between feeding. You need to make sure the baby feels as relaxed as possible while she or he is feeding. Another concern is that the baby doesn't eat enough. Well, to start with, the baby really will eat very little food, but it doesn't matter because the main source of nutrition at the start of the process is the breastfeeding or the formula feeding that you have been doing up until this point. Gradually, as the months go by, the baby will learn to eat more and will feed less on milk. When we do things on a demand process, the baby will adjust their appetite to the foods and the milk that they require.